Okay, hoarders, criminal hoarders here. I'm using hoard metals to diversify hoarding, diversification order of all asset classes. So that right there, man, I'm not a fortune teller. I'm just telling you what you know about Japanese
shit.
Yeah, I think did the same thing. Just gonna spy real quick. It was a definite hanging man. Oh man, like the monthly here. Wow, dude. That is like the most insane hanging man I've ever seen because it's a monthly candle. And yeah, it has gapped up. You know, it did close lower. It wasn't a red candle, but it did close lower than November's close, the hanging man's close. So you just gapped up, and it looks like, oh, they could invalidate it. They could invalidate it. It could continue higher, no problem. No harm right now. But I'm just saying, like, it's just so hard to ignore a Japanese. So gorgeous. So I don't know, man. And just pay attention. Let's just pay attention. Nasdaq's kind of grosser, yeah, because of the distribution, the lower highs and the lower from the confirmation. And even the confirmation high was lower than the first high. Yeah, or do you want to be like, I say, hey man, I know. Not a strategic level for really anything, for fresh lawns. Whatever. But we'll see. Hey, could be wrong, man. Could just be like, all right, good again. Forget it, a higher low, and they break it out later, and we're going to 750 next. You know, soon. But also, like, someone could come in here, and I don't think they're quite. I don't think it's down yet, but someone could be like, dude, Wyckoff distribution is beginning to develop on the spider. Too early to say. I wouldn't call it that, but I just like I would be more comfortable long on the spider above at all times. So it's about breaking the resistance again and putting in a higher low again. That would make me more comfortable. Tesla, oof. That's yeah, we knew that, right? Nothing to do till 414. Nothing. Strategically. Swing trader, position trader, nothing. And this is why. Because when you fail to break out, you fall back below 469.91, there's no support at all. You're just waiting on 414 to $400. And maybe we were discussing like the theory of it. We were theory crafting like what we would want at this level if we could some sort of deep 886 from the previous low to high, then if the buyers would capture, and they reconfirm it a couple things. That right there, that is what you would want for a fresh long strategic stop loss with maximum upside. That's what we'd be waiting for on Tesla. You don't get it? Okay, whatever. But that's what we covet. Lowest daily candle close on Tesla since December 8th. It's a really plus close. Very bad, boys. Very bad. I mean, told me to go type 2, but I'll tell you, man, that's a nothing burger kind of garbage. All right, and we've already discussed the weekly, and we know the weekly now. Very bad. All right, the double top, the golden ratio. You can make that up. How perfect.
I'm gonna go get a new iPhone, man.
Top of the tower, a better doer. Each one. And so now, look what's happening. They already confirmed the double top on November 17th. And here we are, new year, boom, down 2.2%. Like getting just completely murked, routed. The bears are routing today. And soon it looks like you'll be testing 467.56. And if they fail to hold that up like they did in November, I mean, I guess we could say 455 would be target 1, 441 after that, and then 430.
This shit crazy, man.
Might act as support. But if you think about just like deep retraces, you could understand like the deep retraces are in the low 400s, high 300s. So this is a market driver, man. This is one of your top market cap assets in the world, trading very bad today. And if you scale in and you see the daily, very bearish price action correlation locally. All right, just think about it. Look what they did. They rallied, they hit that support, they rallied it. They tested that double top confirmation line as resistance, not once, but twice. You see it. It's not an opinion right here. This is real life. Garly, but sorry. The next event that occurred lasted from the 18th to the 31st. We're all right here. This is telling you something, okay? It wasn't telling us too much until today with this massive drawdown. But that right there is showing us subtly that there are even less market participants involved with this asset than before. There is such a lack of demand on Microsoft as of today, since mid-December, that the buyers, market participants could not push the price up to 492.23 as they just did in late November, early December. That is a big piece of data. All of this right here, it's very telling. So this could be indicating we're looking to make a fresh low in this newer trend we're in, intermediate downtrend for now. Falling below the 200-day simple moving average. The first daily candle close below the 200-day simple moving average since April 30th. That's big time, man. That's a big event going on in market driver. So let's start thinking, let's see, that happened, and it's a market driver, top 3, top 4 market cap equity, and you've got the NASDAQ not looking good with those lower highs confirmed, and this thing marks down more, it's gonna help the argument for maybe lower on the NASDAQ, okay? So let's keep that all in mind, all right? Amazon, yeah, didn't trust, thinking that was a type 2. All they've done now, wow, that's some crappy stuff here. Okay, look, the old high from December of last year, 2024, not 2025, 2024, over a year ago now. They rallied this, and I'm starting to get a little weird because now you've got this argument that maybe 1 and 2 here, they're confirming way less than before, and even if you take out, this was all earnings, all earnings, okay? If you take And the problem with identifying a harmonic up here is there is no real value. It's premium trade. You know what value would be for real? Value would still be like 173 to 1.